How to take a screenshot on your phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is to click your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now when you click on it, a screenshot will be taken. So the next method is scroll down the notification panel. Now swipe to the right. Now find screenshot. Now simply tap on it. And that's it. Now the third method is go to the settings on a device. Tap on the gear icon. Now tap on the search bar. Now type swipe. Now click on swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Now simply enable this toggle. Now once you enable it, go back to the home screen. Now swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.